Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're exploring two common words, just and only.
These words seem similar, but have different uses and meanings.
Understanding them helps you speak more naturally and precisely.
They're both used constantly in everyday English.
By the end of this episode, you'll use both confidently.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what these words mean.
Both can mean no more than or simply, but they're used differently.
Just has many meanings and is more flexible.
Only is more specific and means exclusively or no more than.
Let's explore each one.
Word 1, just.
Just has many meanings. It's very versatile.
The key idea is it can mean only, exactly, recently, or simply.
It's used in casual, everyday conversation.
Structure varies depending on meaning.
I just arrived. I just want coffee. Just do it.
Uses of just.
Use 1, meaning only, no more than.
I just need 5 minutes. It's just a game. I just wanted to help.
Use 2, meaning exactly, precisely.
That's just what I meant. It's just right. Just like that.
Use 3, meaning recently, a moment ago.
I just finished. She just left. We just arrived.
Use 4, meaning simply.
Just tell me. Just be yourself. Just wait.
Use 5 for emphasis or politeness.
It's just amazing. Could you just help me? Word 2, only.
Only means exclusively, no more than or solely.
The key idea is limitation or exclusivity.
It's more formal and specific than just.
Structure before the word it modifies. I only have 5 minutes. Only you can do this. I speak only English.
Uses of only.
Use 1, meaning exclusively. No one else, nothing else.
Only John knows. Only on Mondays. Only here.
Use 2, meaning no more than, limited quantity.
Only 5 people came. It costs only $10. I have only one.
Use 3, showing limitation or restriction.
I can only try. She only speaks Spanish. We only have today.
Use 4, for emphasis on exclusivity.
The only way. My only chance. The only one.
The key differences.
Just is more casual and has multiple meanings.
Only is more formal and means exclusivity or limitation.
Just can mean recently. Only cannot.
Only emphasizes exclusivity more strongly.
Just is more flexible in position.
Only placement changes meaning significantly.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Linda, did you finish the project?
I just finished it 5 minutes ago. I only had to fix one small error.
Great. How long did it take?
Only 3 hours. I just needed to focus. Just me working alone was faster.
Can I see it?
Of course. I just sent it to your email. It's only a draft, though.
That's fine. I only want to check the main ideas.
Just let me know if you need changes. I can only work on it tonight.
Perfect. I'll just review it now.
Did you notice both words?
I just finished it. Recently.
5 minutes ago. Time reference.
I only had to fix one small error. No more than.
Only 3 hours. Limited time.
I just needed to focus. Simply.
Just me working alone. Only me.
I just sent it. Recently.
It's only a draft. No more than.
I only want to check. My sole purpose.
Just let me know. Simply.
I can only work on it tonight. Exclusively tonight.
I'll just review it now. Simply.
Both words used naturally.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Using only to mean recently.
Wrong, I only arrived. Correct, I just arrived.
Just means recently, not only.
Mistake 2. Wrong position with only.
I only love you. I don't hate you. I love you.
I love only you. You're the only one I love.
Position changes meaning.
Mistake 3. Using just in formal writing.
Informal, I just think. Formal, I only believe or I believe.
Only is more professional.
Mistake 4. Confusing just now and only now.
Just now means moments ago. Only now means not until this moment.
Different meanings.
Mistake 5. Overusing just.
Too casual. I just wanted to just say that I just finished.
Use it once per sentence.
Just in different contexts.
Recent past.
I just woke up. She just called. They just left.
Simple actions.
Just try it. Just listen. Just wait here.
Softening requests.
Could you just help me? Can I just ask something?
Exactly.
That's just perfect. Just what I needed. Just like before.
Only in different contexts.
Exclusivity.
The only option. Only you understand. Only here.
Limitation.
Only 5 left. I have only $10. Only on weekends.
Emphasis.
If only I could. The one and only. Only time will tell.
Position matters with only.
Same words, different meanings.
I only saw him. Nobody else saw him.
I only saw him. I didn't talk to him, just saw.
I saw only him. I didn't see anyone else.
I saw him only. Same as I saw only him.
Placement is crucial.
Just is more flexible.
I just want coffee equals I want just coffee. Same meaning.
Position doesn't change meaning as much.
Replacing each other.
When you can use both.
I just want water equals I only want water. Similar.
Just 5 minutes equals only 5 minutes. Same.
When you cannot switch.
I just arrived does not equal I only arrived. Different meanings.
Just do it. Encouragement versus only do it. Sounds wrong.
Just with time expressions.
Very recent.
Just now, moments ago. Just yesterday, recently. Just last week, not long ago.
Only with time expressions.
Limitation.
Only today. Only this week. Only once.
Different focus.
Real life scenarios.
At a restaurant.
I just want a salad. Simple order. Versus I only want a salad. Nothing else.
At work. I just sent the email recently versus I only sent the email, didn't do other tasks.
Shopping. Just looking. Browsing. Versus only looking. Not buying.
Detailed examples.
Making requests. Just give me a minute. Casual.
I only need a minute. Specific amount.
Giving instructions. Just press the button. Simple.
Only press the red button. Exclusively that one.
Talking about time. I just got here. Moments ago.
I've only been here 5 minutes. Limited time.
Describing quantity. Just 3 people. Casual.
Only 3 people. Fewer than expected.
Expressing wishes. I just wish I could go. Simple wish.
If only I could go. Strong regret.
Apologizing. I was just joking. It was only a joke.
I only meant to help. My sole intention.
Explaining. It's just a mistake. Simple.
It's only a mistake, nothing serious.
Reassuring. Just relax. Encouragement.
It'll only take a second, brief time.
Agreeing. Just as I thought. Exactly.
That's the only way, no alternative.
Disagreeing. I just don't agree. Simply don't.
That's not the only reason. More reasons exist.
Describing abilities. I can just barely reach. Almost can't.
I can only do my best, limited to that.
Setting boundaries. Just leave me alone. Simple request.
I only work weekdays, restriction.
Expressing surprise. I just can't believe it. Strong emotion.
Only yesterday it was fine, recent contrast.
Making comparisons. Just like old times. Exactly.
Only better than before, comparative.
Giving advice. Just be yourself. Simple wisdom.
Only trust people you know, exclusive advice.
Showing frustration. I just can't do this. Emotional.
I can only take so much, limit reached.
Expressing relief. It's just a scratch. Minor.
Only a false alarm, nothing serious.
Making promises. Just trust me. Simple.
I'll only say this once, exclusive occurrence.
Stating facts. It just is what it is. Simply.
That's the only truth, sole truth.
Expressing feelings. I just feel sad. Current feeling.
I only feel happy here, exclusively here.
Planning. Let's just go tomorrow. Simple plan.
We can only go tomorrow, no other option.
Offering options. Just choose one. Simple.
You can only pick one, restriction.
Encouraging. Just keep trying. Don't stop.
You only need to try once more, one more time.
Clarifying. I just meant that. Explaining.
I only said that, sole statement.
Emphasizing. Just look at this. See this.
Only you can see this, exclusively you.
Daily routines. I just brush my teeth. Simple action.
I only eat breakfast, don't eat other meals.
Technology. Just click here. Simple.
Only click once, don't click multiple times.
Health.
I just need rest. Simple need.
I only need medicine. So requirement.
Travel. Just take the train. Simple.
Only take the express. Specific train. Education.
Just study hard. Simple advice.
Only study chapter 5. Specific chapter.
Cooking. Just add water. Simple.
Only use fresh ingredients. Exclusive type.
Sports. Just practice daily. Simple.
Only winners advance. Exclusive.
Money. I just spent $20. Recently.
I only have $20. Limited amount.
Relationships. We're just friends. Nothing more.
We only met once. Limited meetings.
Weather. It just started raining. Recently.
It only rains in summer. Exclusively then.
Work. I just joined the company. Recently.
I only work part-time. Limited hours.
Shopping decisions. Just buy it. Encouragement.
Only buy what you need. Restriction.
Conversations. Just saying. Casual comment.
I'm only being honest. Sole intention.
Phone calls. I just called you. Recently.
I only called once. Limited times.
Reading. I just finished the book. Recently.
I only read fiction. Exclusive genre.
Music. I just heard this song. Recently.
I only listen to jazz. Exclusive type.
Meetings. The meeting just ended. Recently.
Only members can attend. Exclusive.
Idiomatic expressions.
With just.
Just in case, just about, just around the corner, just kidding.
With only.
If only, one and only time will tell, the only way.
Permissions.
Just go ahead. Casual permission.
Only with permission. Formal restriction.
Suggestions. Just try this restaurant. Recommendation.
Only eat vegetables. Dietary restriction.
Memories. I just remembered. Recent recall.
I only remember that part. Limited memory.
Beginnings. We just started. Recent beginning.
This is only the beginning. More to come.
Endings. It just ended. Recently finished.
That's the only ending. No alternative.
Preferences. I just prefer coffee. Simple preference.
I only drink coffee. Exclusive drink.
Mistakes. I just made an error. Recently.
I only made one mistake. Limited number.
Understanding. I just don't understand. Simply don't.
Only experts understand. Exclusively experts.
Waiting. Just wait a moment. Be patient.
I've only been waiting minutes. Short time.
Trying. Just try harder. Encouragement.
I can only try. Limitation.
Knowing. I just know it. Certain.
Only time will show. Future knowledge.
Wanting. I just want peace. Simple desire.
I only want honesty. Sole requirement.
Believing. Just believe me. Trust.
I only believe facts. Exclusive belief.
Seeing. I just saw it. Recently.
I only saw the trailer. Limited viewing.
Hearing. I just heard the news. Recently.
I only heard rumors. Limited info.
Thinking. I was just thinking about you. Recent thought.
I only think about work. Exclusive focus.
Hoping. I just hope so. Simple hope.
That's my only hope. Sole hope.
Needing. I just need coffee. Simple need.
I only need 1 cup. Specific amount.
Quick review.
Just has many meanings.
Recently. I just arrived.
Simply, just do it.
Exactly. Just right.
Only, just 5 minutes.
Softening. Could you just help?
Just has many meanings.
Only means exclusively or no more than.
Exclusive, only you.
Limited. Only 5 people.
Restriction, only on weekends.
Just is casual and flexible.
Only is formal and specific.
Just can mean recently, only cannot.
Only placement changes meaning.
Both can mean no more than.
Just softens, only restricts.
Use just for recent actions.
Use only for exclusivity.
You now understand both completely.
These common words make huge differences.
Use them to speak naturally and precisely.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment. Create sentences using both words.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.